everyone. I hope all of you are doing great. Today's topic of our video is according to how we can add our team members into our style or design where we are working. That can be your client, that also can be someone who can collaborate with you. Before starting the topic, before elaborating everything, I'm just try to convince you all that please go down below and subscribe our channel, like a video, and then share this with your friends, family, or people who want to learn graphic designing and want to do graphic designing on mobile. Please go down below. First of all, go and subscribe our channel, share our video, like the video, and then we are going to start it. Okay, first of all, we can say that why we are going to add any person into our design, right? As we are working on this project, it can be called a design, a project, whatever you call it in your norms, rules of working ethics. I will say that it is my design or it is my project. Okay, if you want someone have a great idea about the changes in this whole project, if you want to add some colleague of yours who can do some touch-ups and changing to your design, then you can add that person too. If you want to get your client into this project or into this whole design, he can also change and also get changings also. If you want to invite him to your team, what you have to do is go to this plus button. Okay, you have to go here, add from here. Just you have to place the email here, like I'm placing some words, right? You have to place the email here, then you have to give the access here, the comment, view, or edit one. Whatever you need, you have to write the email here, then you have to write your message, and then you have to send it. Okay, as you send it, it will give the invitation with a message note to the person to whom you want to add into your design or your project. Okay, this is a thing like shareability, as we were sharing, right? We can go to share also, and then we can add people from here too. Like there is, whenever you are going to give your access, like only people add it, then you have to just add a person from here. Okay, then you can give them an access to come to your designs. Whatever you are going to give them, whatever access you are going to give them, they can get that, and after that they can work accordingly. Great. Okay, the next thing is how we can comment on a design. Like whenever we see here, was the access, right? There are one axis you can watch, second one is can comment, and third one is edit. You know about the edit, whatever the design is, anybody who is having the access to edit the design, it means that person can edit this design by his own ideas, and whatever he has in his head, he can edit all these things or all these designs according to him. Okay, if you don't want to give the edit one or edit access to anyone, you can give the comment one. Mostly we are going to give the comment can comment access to our clients, right? What they did, they come to the design, they elaborate each and everything, they get notice each and everything, then they are going to comment, right? From where they can comment it, this is the comment button, add comment. Okay, you have to go and then write here like what you are going to do. Okay, if I don't like this one, right, I have to click this, then add the comment, change the color. Okay, and then add sticker, whatever it could be, because I need any kind of like confusion. Okay, change the color, I'm confused to see this color, right? It means this. as the comment. Who added? Here is the name of the person. When the comment is added, the time, date, and each and everything is shown here, right? Now this comment is added here. Whenever I am going to click it, then it shows that for which part the comment is written here. It is for this leaf. Okay, whenever a person needs the says this one is the grid, like this one, I have to add every comment for every object or picture or background or what. I'm astonished to this see this, you can see the flower. Then I say it's amazing, right? It's amazing. And I have to add the sticker and then do this one, this one, this one, or whatever we want to add this image here, or this one, whatever we want, right? Then we have to comment it. It means that we are appreciating the person who is designing, or we are going to give him suggestions or give him that the color should be blue, the color should be black, this is not looking good, I need some changes here, I am going to do this or that, whatever you want from your designer, you can comment here. Okay, I think we just got two ideas from here. First of all, how we have to add the team members or collaborators in one design or project, and secondly, I have told you that what kind of comments you can put in the design, or your client could put in the design, and you know now that how to reply the design. You can reply here that you can say thank you for this, and if you change the okay, this is like, now he will reply that this is good or not good. Okay, right now, got it? It is like a chain that you guys can carry on it. Got it? If you change this one, you can say that kindly sorry, you have to go here, go to reply, and then you say kindly check the changed color, change color, and let me know about it. Got it? Now you can send your reply after the changes. Got it? This is a great way to communicate as well, because you are not going to give the link all the time, or you have given them a link and they are getting into it and editing it by themselves. That is not a great idea. So you can give them ability to comment on it, and then you need to go to any other place to comment on it. Okay, if it will be the useful one, a good video for you, a piece of information which you needed right now is fulfilled, kindly let me know about it, and appreciate us by sharing, liking, and subscribing us. Have a good day. Bye bye.